Hey guys, dive into my world of beauty with exclusive vlogs, day in the life adventures, makeup tutorials, lifestyle events, a little girl talk, and so much more on my YouTube channel. I actually started this journey back in 2007 when I created this channel and did absolutely nothing with it. I was so scared, but now here I am. I'm going to take on this adventure and try it again and go full force with it, I hope. I want you to subscribe and be a part of my glam journey where beauty will meet my life's fabulous moments. Don't miss a beat. Hit that subscribe button and let's create some magic together. Here you'll see it's the end of the day for me, a busy Saturday. I'm wrapping up, cleaning up, trying to get everything back in order, taking a few little breaks for a little jam session, just wiping everything down, trying to get myself and my studio back in, looking good. So, let me know what you want to see. My plan is to record more of these like day in the life type things, day in the life of a makeup artist type videos, so you can see behind the scenes of what goes on, what we do. And it's actually fun. We have so much fun, great moments. I have some amazing clients that you'll be able to see through this channel and journey. So I can't wait. I'm so excited. And here we go, out the door. Peace, deuces. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, hit that subscribe and notification bell.